imagine earning up to 100% commission. Yes, you heard that right. For the first 3 months just by referring clients. No office, no heavy investment, and full support from Alice Blue. Sounds interesting. Let's see how it actually works. The Alice Blue Business Partner Program is basically a revenue sharing opportunity for people who want to build an income stream by referring clients to trade with Alice Blue. As a partner, Alice Blue takes care of the rest. Now, here's what makes this program stand out. Number 1. Zero security deposit, so you can start without any upfront cost. Up to 100% commission for the first 3 months, that's full revenue sharing straight to you. From the 4th month, you continue earning a whopping 70% revenue share. You also get 1000 rupees as an incentive for each new client, be it referral or account opening incentive. And the support? Top notch. You get free sales and marketing support, full training and onboarding, a personal partner dashboard to track everything. And the best of all, work from anywhere. You are your own boss. And here's why clients love Alice Blue too. It's not just about your earnings. They get amazing benefits too. Zero account opening, AMC and clearing fees. Zero brokerage on mutual funds and IPOs. 5x intraday and 4x margin trading leverage. Free SEBI registered advisory. Access to powerful platforms, web, mobile and API. Plus, their only options suite, complete with strategy builder, options chain and scanners, is totally free. And all trades come at just 20 rupees per order. That's incredible value for both you and your clients. So if you're ready to build an income stream, grow your network and step into financial freedom, the Alice Blue Partner Program might just be the opportunity you've been waiting for. You'll find the official link down in the description below, so go check it out and start earning today.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.